Today we are unboxing this bad boy. I'm truly excited. This is something I've been looking for a couple of months. I don't know anything about this, but you guys will learn with me. As some of you might have noticed, the box is already open. We just had to make sure all the content was inside before I left the shop. So we're gonna go and open her up. So let's start getting the content out. I see there's some kind of brush over here. Once again, I don't know much about TIG welding, but I will learn as we go. We're gonna put that one side, and here comes the one part from the side. So I think this is the actual rod that we use for the TIG welding. I see it's got its coupling, we got a few things here on the inside, and we're gonna check that out later. We're just gonna put it one side for now. Right over here, we're pulling out a few more cables. Oh, that sound. I don't like that sound at all. So we got a few things over here. It looks like we actually clamp on. So also gonna put it one side. And here comes the most interesting part and also the most squeaking part. Brace your ears. Beautiful. We're gonna move the box out of the way. Let's just take that off and this side off. Okay. And here we go. So I got myself a small TIG welder. It can only weld stainless steel. I'll only be doing exhaust pipes for now. I thought to get myself a small welder to learn on, and then one day I can get myself a bigger one. So let's get this bubble wrap off. I know my fiance is gonna love this later. Okay, and here we go.
I ain't the first with the curse, with the thirst that I wanna be better, not worse, man it hurts. I'm on this earth with my words and I put them all together, insert, cause I wanna have worth. Working hella hard till they put me in the dirt. Gonna go far, man, listen to my words. Gonna be a star, man, life's like a blur. When you're working this hard till you get what you deserve. Yeah, I ain't taking a backseat, I'm passing anybody else who is rapping. I'm nasty, ain't nobody able to catch me. They gasping, they cannot compare, they can't match me. I'm at half speed, I got your girl and she laughing and dancing, hanging on my butt, she asking to crash with me, smash with me, she savage, she wants cash money, and she knows that I live lavishly. I wanna live, I'm cold inside, give all I have just to feel alive, I fight to live.
Like I previously mentioned, this welding machine can only weld stainless steel, so it cannot weld aluminium, unfortunately, but this is a learning curve for us. We actually just bought this welding machine because we only want to do exhaust pipes. We want to be able to do down pipes or even maybe resonator deletes and etc. Before we continue any further, we still gotta check this out over here. So this seems like the rod piece that we actually have to do the welding, and I must say, looking at this, it already seems like really great quality. It's got a good smell to it though. Looking here in this package, we've got a few things, and I think it is actually to complete the entire rod, which seems to be at this edge over here, and it seems like it's got a button, which is pretty darn awesome. So I don't think we need actually the pedal that we are gonna have to step on. So let's just quickly check this entire piece out. So it just looks like a very long cord. Okay, let's turn it around actually. Okay, so here is the plugins that we currently have, and I think they probably will go into the front part of the welding machine, which seems to be this one and this one over here. And obviously, looking at the minus and the plus over here, I think this is what this one is for. We've got two over here, which this will probably be the positive, I believe, and this one should be the negative. I just had a look at this menu. I just had a look at this manual over here, and I still don't know what these two things are for. I mean, we'll figure out everything as we go. So for the unboxing part, we have covered hopefully everything, and as far as everything we know. So we still gotta get gas, we still gotta get safety equipment like a proper head shield, some gloves, and all the bits and bobs we're gonna need, such as steel pipes and etc and etc. I am planning to do another unboxing video as soon as I get all the equipment for our TIG welding. But if you guys are interested to see more, consider subscribing, hitting that notification bell, and I'll see all of you guys with the next video. But for now, peace out.